take 3 of this video. The countdown is done. It is tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so yeah. Yeah. So today's palette is like kind of new, but not really because I've had it for a hot minute, but I've not really used it much and you guys haven't seen it, so it's new to you. It's, look how cute it is. Look at that. Super huge. There's like the front of it's dirty because I've had it for a hot minute, but there you go. So yeah, that's the palette we're going to be using. Has some nice green colors in it. Very nice. So yeah. It doesn't have a mirror on it, so I'm just going to be using another palette for a mirror because it doesn't have a mirror on that big one. So yeah. And the look I'm going to do is kind of crazy, but I think, I mean, I'm going to switch it up a little bit from the picture. Like, here's the idea. You can see the eyes. I like the little Christmas trees down here that they did, so I'll probably still do that and do the green and like the red lipstick. But yeah, so it's gonna be kind of like this, but not quite. So yeah, let's get started. Finally. So, same stuff as always. So yeah. So, got that on. Trying to do the makeup look. This is a huge palette. But I think I'll do this, like, use mostly this dark green down here, right there. Yeah. I think I'll just put green all over the lid and then do like the Christmas trees on the bottom thing. Ooh, very pigmented. Do the same on the other eye, just putting green on. Try and do the Christmas trees underneath. I don't know what else I'm gonna do with the eyes. Maybe add like, there's like a shimmery green color. Just like stabbed it like right there. I might add in. What I do here. I'll go on with the Christmas trees and then I'll come back to do more stuff to the eyes. I don't know. I feel like I have like really puffy cheeks. It's like drawing right there under my eye can be hard. And we're gonna go in with that same green that we put all over our lid. I'm using just like a small brush. Looks like it was just like a zigzag type Christmas tree. Don't know how this is going to look. Here's what we got. It's kind of, can't really see it. I feel like that just looks weird. What the heck happened to my makeup wipe I just had? There it is. I don't really like that. Maybe I'll just draw like a regular Christmas tree instead of doing like the zigzag Christmas tree. I'll just draw. I feel like that would be easier than trying to do like the zigzag one, and it'll probably look better too. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm like starting to not like it. Like, I thought it was a cool idea to do like the Christmas trees under the eye, but now that I've actually tried to do it, I feel like it looks weird. Maybe I'll just do like a normal Christmas tree like on my cheek or something. Yeah, maybe I'll do like green blush, maybe. Like use the green eyeshadow and do like a light little green blush and do like a Christmas tree. Do it cuter, or attempt to. Because I tried that and I didn't like it. So we're gonna do something completely different. Let's see. I used like that color for like the tree stump thing, and then use like that color, do like a little gold star on it. Changing a lot in this last video, I guess. Changing everything. What it is. I like that one a bit better. This is cuter than the last idea. And then I'll do like some green blush and maybe like white little freckles. Should I do a tree on both sides or just one side? I got a weird face. Just want to do it on one side. I feel like that looks kind of cool. That looks alright. I tried to add like some gold glitter to it, so it looks like it's like decorated a little bit. Oh my god. Oh my god, this looks crazy. I'm trying to have like white dots too. That looks crazy. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm just like going for it again. Like some white. Freckles. Okay, I kind of want to add like some gold or like a shimmer color in the inner corner. Maybe I'll do that shimmer green. Okay, I'll add that. Where is it? It's like up here. That color. I mean, I think this is... I feel like red might be weird. Very bright. I think a very bright color. I should probably have mascara. I'm gonna do that real quick. So, mascara. Your brows are crazy looking. Even though I never do anything with them. I think this is kind of cute. Like a little Christmas tree. Okay. Hi. This was day 12's look. It was like another experimental one where I'm like, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. My brows do look crazy. But yeah. Bye.